What is interesting according to Aquinas, it is the natural law. According to Aquinas, in fact, it exists specifically the idea of realism in relation with the law. This is really important according to what is physics and what is metaphysical. In fact, according to Aquinas, there is a specific type of relationship between physics and metaphysics. We can see that the God exists when we live in this world in relation with the cause and effect for physics, according to physics, and with the physics laws. This is also really interesting because there is a specific type of principle of causation that derive from the cause and effects of the natural things. At the same time, God exists according to Aquinas because it is the first type of causation of the rest. But at the same time, there are some type of rules that are independent by gods because there is a specific type of nature in these rules. At the same time, there is a specific type of politics that depended from these rules, and on the other hand, there is a different type of consideration of Aquinas in relation with the politics, because according to Aquinas, we develop a specific type of politics when we think that the law it exists as after the creation of a god, as the idea of the sin, the principal type of sin of the first man and the first woman. This is important because therefore the law or the right or the rule of law is a specific type of convention that it exists because the main sin of the first man and the first woman, Adam and Eve. And therefore, according to Aquinas, there is the natural law that is a sort and a specific type of convention, and it is important in this sense for the property of a things, of a different type of things, as the different type of cause and effects in this sense. And after of this idea, there is a specific type of natural principle of a causation that it is important as a principle of the cause and effects that are part of the world. This is important because therefore the idea of Aristotle it is reinterpreted by Aquinas and by the scholastic in general, and after the school of Salamanca in the 15th century, but in particular technically 16th century. Bye.